Welcome to my assignment. My name is IZUCHUKWU MBONU. I'll be showcasing how I did my sprint 1 lab. So in this assignment, I have first ticket, which has to do with the sprint 1. Then I have second ticket, which has to do with the sprint 2. And I have third ticket, which has to do with sprint 3. So in this assignment, I'm showcasing the first ticket, which is my sprint 1. So I'm going to be sharing my screen to show you how I came to the answer that I have. So just be patient with me as we go through it. But before I continue with how I came to the realization of the code, I want to show you the first ticket, which I discussed with you earlier. So in the first ticket, we have an objective here. So I am building the sprint 1, which is database operation. So in our objective, the first thing I'm supposed to do is to develop a database interface class. You can see it here on the screen, a database interface class. Then I will now create a random monster data with the Bloomtech monster lab library. So when I do that, I will now populate. You can see here, I will now populate the database with at least 1,000 monsters. So that is what I'll be doing with this assignment. So then, having said that, I am supposed to work inside database, data.py. That is where I'll be working on. So I'll be tackling this assignment on this place. So then, having said that, there are things I also need to do before that. I will have to log into my, okay, then there's a guidance here. So this guidance is telling me that I have to create a database interface. I have to create a database interface class that will allow me to seed a collection. Look at it here. It will allow me to seed a collection of number of documents with a specified document, yes. And then I will seed a collection with a specified document. Then reset the collection by deleting all the documents, then count the number of documents in the collection. Then I will now generate a data frame or HTML data representation of the collection documents. So that is all that I'll be doing in this task. So having said that, I will have to also log into mongodb.com so that I can create a cluster share filter that can allow me to get the database downloaded. As in, I will add my IP address to it. Then I'll allow the localhost. So I'll be doing my connection string inside .mv file, which I have already created. You can see it here, which I have also done. Okay, you can see I've already done my Mongo URL in this place, and then I've created my password, which I'm not supposed to share with you. It's a secret thing, but notwithstanding, it's a temporary thing also. So that is it. Let's dive into the data.py. Let me show you how I arrived at this. Now, the first and foremost, we will import our dependencies. If you can see here, we have our OS, we import it, and we get us our .mv. So that is what that one will be doing for us. This is it. Then after that, I will import my where. Yes, of course. Then I will now load my .mv. I will load it. That is loading that URL inside .mv. I will load it. That's what it will be doing. It will be importing it. Then after that, I will now import my Bloomtech. I will import my monster, yes, from the Bloomtech monster lab, yes. So that's what I'll be doing. Then after that, I will import data frame from pandas, yes. I will import data frame from pandas. Then I will import Mongo client from my PyMongo. So that's all that I'll be doing. So let's move on. The first thing I'm going to do here is to create a database class interface, which you can see here. You can see it here. So what this thing will be doing, this database interface for Mongo operation with monster data, we handle seeding, resetting, counting, and data retrieval operation. That is what this class will handle for me. As you can see it here, this class will handle all of that. Then we now load my .env. That is what it will be handling for me. That's very, very simple. Now, the next thing again, I will create a function, init function. This init function, you can see it here. This init function will initialize database connection to specify my collection. So that is what it will be doing. Yes. So that's what we're doing. You can see it here. It will initialize it. It will initialize. Look at it. It has initialized the connection that will allow me to specify that I will specify my collection. So that is what it is doing here right away. This is what it's doing. Yes. So it has initialized my connection to collect my data. So that is it. Next one, I will now create another function. We call it seed function. You can see it here. Seed function. This seed function will seed the collection with its specified number of monster documents. That is what this seed function will do for me. It will seed the collection with a specified number of monster documents. Then, having done that, it will, if it is successful, if the seeding is successful, it will return true. Having said that, this is the code here. This is what you're doing. The variable, because this variable is monster, so it is collecting the specified number of monster documents. So this is what it's doing. It will collect it, then insert it into documents. So that is what we're doing. The next function here is reset function. So this reset function, we do delete all documents from the collection, then return true. Then it will delete it, then acknowledge it. So the next one is function count. What will this function count? It's counting in integer. Yes, this function count will count in integer. It will count the number of documents in the collection. It will count the number of collection, the number of documents in the collection. That is what it will be doing for me. So having said that, this is it. Number of documents in the collection. That's what this count function will do for me. Then the next one is data frame. They will create a function, data frame function. So this data frame function will retrieve. It will retrieve all documents as a pandas data frame. That's what it will be doing. It will retrieve them, put them into database, into data frame. Then see it here. We can see our variable documents. So it will retrieve all the documents, put them into data frame, return the data frame. So having said that, we'll now go into HTML. So what this HTML function will generate HTML table representation of the data, of the collection data. That's what it will be doing. It will generate it. To generate the HTML data representation. So that is what it will be doing. Then we'll now have yes, that's what it will be doing. We'll now have a function data frame that will return null if empty. So we can see the last but not the least is the if function. This if function will show me my database and reset and the seeding of 1,000 monsters. So let's check it up and see what we got. So I may have to delete my bash, then open another terminal like I did before. So let me open a new terminal. Just be patient with me. We'll soon be there. So are we Python dash m r dot main enter. So just be patient with me. Very soon it will come up. Yes, we got it. Beautiful. So that's fantastic. Wow. Oh, good. So we're going, I'm going to show you, I'm going to share another screen for you now. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to share another screen to show you what we got in this place. What is it? Where is it? Okay. Okay, just be patient with me. I'm coming. Just hold on. I'm coming. Just hold on. Yes. So let me share my screen here now so we can see. Look at it here. So let me refresh my page so I can show you what we've got. Oh, wonderful. Fantastic. Look at it. We have generated the 1,000 monsters. Exactly what we are told to do in our objective. Is it not fantastic? It is. Yes, fantastic enough. Very good. You can see it here. You can see all the things done. You can see the count. You can see it here. You can see everything. The monster count 1,000 is there. So beautiful. So we've come to the end of this class. We've come to the end of this class. So we're ending this class now. Thank you. And we'll meet you again in our next sprint, which is sprint 2 and sprint 3. So